Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Van Ahn Company. It's Friday, September 2nd. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Higher trade into these grain markets as you found continued buyers into wheat and corn. Soybeans really led the way higher for the most part, but really those buyers showing up in corn and wheat as you have farmers trying to protect those LDP payments into the wheat market. If you rally back, you might miss out on those payments from the government, and so they're trying to protect that by buying wheat futures here at such a low price. And then when it comes to the corn market, you're kind of stuck into a rut. The end of August kind of probably cleaned out a lot of old crop. Anything that was at the elevators probably had to be priced out here by the end of August, and then everything else that's still in a bin on a farmer on the farm is probably going to get stored or blended on into the old or the new crop moving forward. And so you just don't have the farmers really selling right now. You also have managed money extremely low as far as net short positions are almost record net short, and so you don't really have them selling a whole lot either at this point here. And then you kind of saw people come in here, a lot of these feed users come in here and start to book up some of their feed needs since you had corn really bounce off that $3 level on the September contract earlier in the week. And so what you have here is just enough situation to give this market a little bit of a boost. Overall in the week, corn was steady. Beans were down 22 cents, so they had a rough start to the first half, and then wheat was down anywhere from 3 to 10 cents there as well. Even though you found that buying in the last half, it couldn't offset the down pressure we had the first couple days of the week there. You also had Informa come out here earlier on and have a yield estimate out for them. 174.8 is what they came in on a yield estimate for corn. That's still a very large yield, though it is below USDA. USDA is currently at 175.1. Then they came in here at a bean yield of 49.5, so that is above USDA's current yield. And so you have that plugged in there as well. So large yields out of Informa. You're also going to get FC Stone later on in the day to give some estimates as well, looking at some large numbers there. Meat markets could not catch a break today. They tried earlier on to rally back. They just couldn't do it. Too many sellers there. Looks like on the week, live cattle down $8.75, feeders down $5, and then lean hogs just down $0.50 there. But overall, just extreme pressure into these meat markets. Cash trade is following suit as well, as you have very low cash trade, 109 to 111 on lives, 175 feeders, so dressed, and so you can't catch a break into those meat markets as well. Outside markets, a little bit of positivity there as you had the crude market bounce off the 200-day moving average. Moving forward, what we're going to do as far as trading goes, you have a long weekend. People start to get a little bit antsy, and we'll see if you have continued buying coming in. People kind of glance at this FC Stone number and see what they come in, but we do know that they're expecting these yields to be extremely high. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading with futures and options involves risk of loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.